Hey there, all-stars. Welcome to Kid Colors. Are you ready to step up to the plate and knock out those wiggles? It's time for some baseball fun. Let's stand up, get some space, and let's get moving like we're out on the baseball field. First up, let's warm up those arms like we're pitchers getting ready to throw the first pitch. Let's make 5 big arm circles. Forward, ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's make 5 big arm circles backwards. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Now your arms are warmed up and ready. All right, team, we're up to bat. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees just a little. Hands up like you're holding your bat. Eyes on the ball. When I say swing, turn your body, swing those arms, and follow through like you just hit a home run. Ready? Let's go! Here comes the pitch. Swing! Nice! Let's go again. Twist your hips. Follow through. Swing! That one's flying. Let's go again. Swing! Awesome job. Okay, last one. Swing! That one's gone. You just hit a home run. All right, slugger, you've crushed that ball. Let's round the bases like a pro. Run in place and I'll call out each base. You repeat after me nice and loud. Let's go. Start running in place with me. Here comes first base. Say it loud. First base. You're rounding the corner. What's next? Let's go. Say it loud. Second base. You're flying now. Here comes the next one. Say it loud. Third base. Final stretch. Pick up the speed. Here it comes. What's the last base? Say it with all your energy. Home plate. Amazing job. Wait around the bases like a pro. Okay, team. The game's tied. It's the last inning and you're in the outfield. I see a fly ball coming your way. Get in ready position. Feet apart, knees bent, arms out like you're wearing a glove. Let's practice those big league catches. When I say jump and catch, leap up high and clap your hands like you're snagging the ball. Ready? Let's go! Here it comes. It's high. Jump and catch. Nice catch. Next one's coming. It's even higher. Jump and catch. Whoa, you're doing great. This one's tricky. It's drifting to the side. Move to the left. Jump and catch. Here comes another. Move to the right. Jump and catch. Great job. Here comes the biggest one yet. Get ready. Knees bent. Super jump and catch. Yes. Crowd's going wild. Great job, all-stars. You ran the bases, made the catches, and crushed those swings. Now let's cool it down and stretch like champions. Stand up tall, feet shoulder width apart. Now slowly reach both arms all the way up to the sky. Stretch those fingers like you're lifting a trophy. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let your arms float down slowly. Now, let's stretch side to side. Reach your right arm up and lean gently to the left. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel that stretch all along your right side. Now switch. Left arm up and lean to the right. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel that stretch all along your left side. Let's finish with a few deep breaths together. Ready? Take a big breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Take a big breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Last one. Make it your biggest breath yet. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now let your shoulders relax. Awesome job. You moved your body, cleared your mind, and had fun. That's what champions do. Thank you for joining Kid Colors. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Be sure to like this video, and for more exciting adventures, please click that subscribe button.